What if one decision could completely change your financial future? Imagine learning a high income skill in just one day, a skill that is in high demand across Nigeria and around the world. Welcome to Paradize Image Nigeria Limited. With over 10 years of experience in epoxy decoration, resin craft, professional training, and material supply. This is not painting and not drawing. It is a simple installation skill that anyone can learn. In this practical training, you will learn how to install 3D epoxy floor, metallic epoxy floor, glittering flooring, epoxy wall, epoxy ceiling, and also produce high demand resin craft, wall clocks, pictures frames, award plaques, flower pots, earrings, tabletops, kitchen trays, and much more. After training, you will receive a certificate. Join our exclusive epoxy mentorship group for continuous guidance and enjoy access to quality epoxy chemical and materials directly from us. We don't just train, we mentor, supply materials, and support your first project. Whether you want to become an installer, start your own business, or build a profitable resin craft brand, this training is your opportunity. The training fee is just 50,000 naira only. Reserve your seat with just 10,000 naira and pay the balance on the training day. Early seat reservation also gives you a 5,000 naira discount, meaning you will pay only 35,000 naira on the training day. Full payment at the training venue is also acceptable, but without the discount. We also undertake professional epoxy decoration projects for homes, hospitals, churches, warehouses, shopping malls, offices, event centers, hotels, factories, schools, and swimming pools. Don't miss this opportunity. The best time to learn this life-changing skill is now. Click the button below to register or chat with us today. Paradize Image Nigeria Limited, turning skill into sustainable wealth.